Yo, what's going on, traders? What's going on, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back at the charts again, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I was able to make 300,000 in just 30 minutes on NASDAQ, on NAS100, US100 today. I've shared this trade with the inner circle of our team, with all the students from the Genius Trading Masterclass course. As you can see on the left side is my Telegram channel where I share all my trades, all my entries, all my exits, and on the right side you see our Telegram channel where everybody is connected to each other, sharing trading ideas and results and all that stuff. I mean, the student group chat is amazing. Everybody's helping each other. It's crazy, and we have so many killers in there. It's amazing, guys. If you're not inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course yet and you are serious about your career as a trader, make sure to check it out. I will put the link down below in the description, guys. You need to check it out. You have 2 days left to join the course with this awesome offer for this big discount. And we have everything inside, everything that you need to start your career as a trader to become consistently profitable. So I want to talk about the trade that I took today on NASDAQ, guys. And I took this trade on 3 different accounts. I took this one on my smaller high risk account, on my bigger lower risk account, and I was taking this one on the FGMO challenge as well, because I'm recording another section for the course, the $25,000 challenge, then after that the $25,000 evaluation, then the $50,000 challenge. I'm going to show you guys how to master this craft, how to trade, how to pass these funding challenges, and how to get real big capital to trade with and make some serious amounts of money. So yeah, the course got everything inside. We're gonna take you from scratch to the professional level. So 300,000 today in just 30 minutes. Let me show you what was happening, guys. First of all, I marked up a zone in here because the market slashed down, took out a lot of stops before we had a huge push last week, right? And then the market came all the way back to touch this zone. I'm sure they still had a couple of orders sitting in there. As you can see, this zone got rejected pretty aggressive on Friday. And overall, we had, during Asia and London session, we had bullish movement. And I was pretty sure that we are going to slash above Friday's high, because it really looked like that. The market showed me that it wants to slash through Friday's high. I really didn't expect a crazy push like that. I was taking profits a little bit too early, a little bit too quick. I could have made so much more money on that move. But you never know. I like to take my profits when first targets get hit. The easiest target is where I'm taking most of my profit off the table, because I have a pretty great hit rate. And so yeah, I don't need to aim for the big shot every time I trade. I like to take profits. I like to pay myself, and yeah, that's why I missed out on a little bit, but there's no regret. I mean, that's part of the game. You will never find the perfect exit, and yeah, that's why it looks like we need to sell this thing. It really looks like we need to sell this thing pretty soon. We have some selling pressure coming in. Maybe some profit taking from this move starts to take place now. Yeah, let's watch it, and maybe we are going to take another sell in here with one of my accounts. I'm not going to stress myself and trade on all 3 right now, but maybe we're going to take a sell in here. Looks pretty solid to me. Slashed up with a nice reaction in here, a lot of imbalance, displacement. Market wants to go down now. Maybe get above, maybe get below this low in here. Oh, it really moving now. Yeah. Didn't saw it at the right time. Would have entered somewhere in here. But anyways, let's see, maybe we can get a nice pullback again and then to enter this thing. Let's see. All right guys, whatever, let's talk about the trade that I took today. Why I took this trade, guys, I told you I was pretty sure that we were going to slash above Friday's high, right? So when the New York session started around 8:30 New York time, the market was coming down. The market was coming down, right? You see that? It was coming down, slash to these lows, slash through these lows. And this was really the last pullback before we had a strong move, okay? And when we touched that zone, I was looking at price action on a very small time frame, even 30 seconds, because I wanted to see if we break the structure in here. And as you can see, market was consolidating here a little bit, slashed up and down, goes down, and then we had a strong push. And this was what I was waiting for. So I waited for that pullback, a little small pullback, and I catch this perfect sniper entry in here. We had a nice push, and then I was waiting for algorithms to kick in around 9:30. And at 9:30 we had this push to the upside. Then many stops were here below this low. So we slashed up, got a lot of buys into the market. Then the market came down, stopped them all out, grabbed some more liquidity to make the next strong move. Boom, and then I took profits. In here above this high and above this high. So I took my profits in here and closed the whole position. I was not expecting that the market is going to push like this crazy. I mean, I could have made so much more money on that one, but yeah, we couldn't really make it. But anyways, let's see. Maybe I'm going to take another sell position in here, write this thing down back into this imbalanced zone, maybe into this one, or maybe a little bit lower. Let's see what the market is willing to give us, but I'm not going to risk my whole profits for today. I'm just going to maybe take one trade with 1% risk, 2% risk, just on one account, and I will be fine. Let's see, guys. I already have enough for the start of the week, like on Monday, making around 300 grand, which is amazing. So yeah, let's see what the week got for us. We have a pretty great start, and yeah, I'm going to play some basketball now, make some good food, enjoy my rest of the day, and yeah, meet up with some friends maybe. Let's see. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you're all having a wonderful time, and I hope you're all having a profitable trading week. And I'll see you inside the masterclass, guys. Peace.